Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. Okay, so this is your love reading ngayong October. Okay, so gamit tayo ng ibang card. Okay, anyway. So, titingnan natin singles. Okay. And the person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye item for protection from evil eye, okay, and kay love bracelet, kay granter, and doon sa ating new item for cleansing, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, so just message lang po sa kanya pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Kuya Dingsi. Si Kuya Dingsi po is a healer. So kung gusto nyo lumapit sa kanya, message nyo lang po siya. Okay? Doon po sa kanyang FB page. Okay? So, let's start the reading for you, Capricorn placements. Okay, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and North Node. Okay, so let's start with a single Capricorn. Okay, let's see. The one na kayo'y interesado. Interesado sa isang person. So, wala pa dapat kayong relasyon. Okay, so singles nga ha? Okay. So, how do you view this new person, Capricorn? How do you view them? Anong tingin mo sa kanya? Anong meron, Capricorn? How do you view this new person? Okay, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. So, mahirap siyang makipanayam. Okay, hindi siya ganoon na sabihin natin in general ka-cooperative. Okay? Pwedeng earth sign like you, the Knight of Cups universe. Ito yung taong parang nakakaumay. On off or hot and cold. Okay, ang hirap niyang spellingin, parang ganon. Hindi mo maintindihan yung ugali. Okay, some of them they're younger or maybe they're acting immature. The Hermit. Hindi mo malaman kung ano talaga ang meron sa kanya, kung anong gusto niya, something like that. Okay, some of you kasamahan mo to sa isang lugar, environment, mga ganyan. Okay? Mahirap siyang i-approach like that. Hindi siya sociable actually. Hindi ito sociable. Oo. May pagka nonchalant, 'di ba? May pagka ang tawag diyan, loner itong taong to, sa totoo lang. Okay. Anyway, so let's see how do this new person views you, Capricorn. So sila naman, anong tingin nila sa'yo, Capricorn? Anong tingin nitong new person na to sa'yo? Tingnan natin. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. What's with that? The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, ang nakikita nitong taong to, you're acting single. Actually, you're acting single. I don't know why. That's specific. Okay? What's with this Nine of Pentacles in reverse? The Emperor. Ooh. Siyempre. Capricorn. The Emperor. Empress. Okay? Ang nakikita ko dito, masyado kang committed. Pagdating, nakikita ka nila, masyado kang committed sa karir mo, sa trabaho mo, sa kaperahan mo actually. Na you're too serious like that. And wala kang panahon pagdating sa emosyon. You're grounded. Like, tingin nila sa'yo, you're grounded. hard to budge, maybe. Tingin nila sa'yo, seryoso kang tao. Okay? Yun lang. Seryoso. There's attraction here because of this emperor. Okay? They find you... Yeah, they admire you. Actually, they admire you. Yeah. Pero bakit ganito? Yung tingin mo sa taong to. Anyway. So maybe, nandoon yung gap, nandoon yung parang boundaries sa inyo. Andito yung energy ng age gap, actually. So, let's see. Or status. Parang ganyan. Let's see. Ano ba ang emosyon nito for you? The new person. What is their true feelings? The Ten of Cups in reverse. Sa totoo lang, hindi ito nag-iisip na makakonect ka. Okay? Yeah. I don't know why. The Three of Cups. What? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse again. Sa totoo lang ha, sa totoo lang, hindi ito ready for a romantic connection. But yes, they want to be your friend. Okay? They want to be your friend. The Three of Cups. Pero nandun yung doubt nila sa sarili nila pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Mataas ang tingin sa'yo ng taong to, Capricorn. Yeah, they see you as the Emperor. They view you as the Emperor. Empress. Okay? So, kaya ganito. You find this person inconsistent. Yeah. Pero gusto nito ng nakikita ka, nakakasama ka. Yeah. Gusto nila maging friend ka, actually. Okay? So, meron ditong parang takot pagdating sa kanya. May takot itong taong to na maging open sa'yo. May doubt, if ever, na gusto ka. May doubt na magugustuhan mo sila. Something like that. Let's see. Okay, anong next action niya towards you, Capricorn? This new person. This new person, what is their next action? And the Star. To admire you. Yeah. Admire you. The Star. They see you as the Star. Okay, why? Ooh. Oh, the Ace of Cups. Oh. This person likes you. Yeah. Some of them, wala silang action na gagawin kundi i-manifest yung connection nyo. They're manifesting you. Yeah. They are. This person likes you. Maybe they're like waiting for a open opportunity, open door of opportunity para sa inyong dalawa. But yeah, they like you a lot. They will just manifest it. Pray for some of them. There's no solid action na manggagaling sa kanila. Wala. Okay, yeah. Na-intimidate itong taong to sa'yo, Capricorn. Ha? Please. Oo. If you're trying na lumandi pa minsan-minsan, wag nyo namang masyadong pakitaan itong mga mga babae, mga palalaki. Oo naman. Lower down your guard. Yeah, lower down your guard, please. They see you as guarded. Uulitin ko. They see you as the Emperor or the Empress. Sila, night lang. Kung iisipin nyo nung unang panahon, ikaw ba kung kawal ka, liligaw ka sa Empress? Or makikipag-connect ka ba sa Emperor? Ganon. Okay? Ganon yung energy. May gap. Okay. Yeah. They're admiring you from afar. They're like looking at the stars every night. Parang ganon. Ay. Anyway, Capricorn, maawa ka naman sa mga taong gustong kumonek, ha? Hindi naman po namin sinasadyang maging ganoon. Maging ano ka naman, paminsan-minsan, ha? I-shake-shake mo. Oo. Para mawala. Oo, yung pagiging guarded. Ha? They see you as someone na guarded. They see you as strong, independent, confident. Nakakatakot naman syempre lumapit sa ganun. Okay? Yeah. You're so committed. So kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, they find you busy. Some of them, sabihin nating walang masyadong mga pinagagawa sa buhay, actually. And yes, yung iba sa kanila, bata kesa sa'yo. Okay? Kung ikaw, marami kang inatupag itong taong to, siguro ang inatupag nito, studies lang niya. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Okay. Anong outcome or advice for you, Capricorn? So, yun kunin nyo yung in-advise ko kanina. What else? Advice for Capricorn placements pagdating dito sa new person. The Hierophant in reverse. Just play it cool. Play it cool. Yeah, the Seven of Cups in reverse. Play it cool. Okay? Bigyan mo sila ng gateway, open gateway ng opportunity pagdating sa inyo, okay? Hindi naman sinabi tumalon agad kayo sa relasyon ng taong to. Just be friends. Be casual. Okay? Yeah, the Judgment is here in reversed. Kasi naman sumarado yung opportunity, if ever. Yeah. You like this person. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why. Why do you like this person? Let's see. Anong nagustuhan mo? O, diba? Anong nagustuhan mo sa taong to? Capricorn. So, syempre, hindi na makaka-resonate yung iba dito. Pero, let's see. Na maging general. Ooh, the Magician. You find the strong, like magnet. A pull. Okay? Pagdating sa taong yan. Oh, no. Being the Emperor here, I think some of you have this past life connection ng taong to. Okay? Yeah, the Magician, the Three of Cups, energy ng mga past. So, siguro, nagkaroon lang din, sabihin nating nakuha lang nito yung attention mo. Okay? Yeah, there's a pull pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Anyway, so, punta na tayo. Okay, doon sa person na iniisip mo. Like, current person mo, someone na, yeah, the person on your mind. Okay? Nakakonect mo na. So, tingnan natin anong meron. Syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, for Capricorn placement, the person on your mind. Let's see, who is this Capricorn? Who is this person you're thinking of? The Star in reverse. So, may nangyaring fallout sa inyong dalawa. Okay, or maybe you're hopeless. Or maybe they are hopeless pagdating sa inyo, sa connection nyo. Okay, the Star in reversed. Pwedeng Aqua. Why is the Star in reversed? Ooh, the Five of Cups. Fallout. There's a lot of regrets here. A lot of this pagkadismaya, upset. What? Yeah, the Justice in the reverse. ang laki ng pinanghihinayangan. Yan ang nakukuha ko. May nanghihinayang dito big time. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano pinanghihinayangan. But someone is watching. Okay? Someone is watching, or maybe meron na ditong nakakita na, or like realizations. Okay? Let's see, ano bang nangyari? Ano bang situation nyo? We have here Aqua and water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? So, anong situation ninyo ngayon ng taong to, Capricorn? Yeah, the 5 of Swords. There's conflicts, mind games, head games. Why is that? 5 of Swords. The 4 of Cups. Some of you, hindi kayo magkausap nito. Someone is upset. Someone is angry. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Cups, Universe. Actually, meron ditong meron ditong ayaw mangyaring magkaroon ng, alam yung the one that got away. May nakakaramdam ng ganun. Maybe they're the one thinking of you na ikaw yung totga nila. Ano po yung totga? The one that got away. Okay, yung the one that got away nila. They're confused. Someone is confused. Someone is always thinking about the situation. Maybe meron ditong nangyaring separation or what, or like fallout. Okay? Yeah, someone is in their head. Sad. Depressed, some of them. Lonely. Yeah. Okay. Ano bang nangyari sa past? Let's see. Ano bang nangyari sa past nyo? Bakit ganyan? Ano nangyari sa past? The Queen of Cups again in reverse. Meron dito naging selfish, actually. Okay, so kung sino man yung naging selfish, siya yung nanghihinayang ngayon. There's a lot of panghihinayang. Okay, the 9 of Cups in reverse. This is like an energy of, sabihin natin, missed opportunity, or unfulfilled wish, in general. Okay, so let's see what is their emotion deep down. What is their true emotion pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn? The Queen of Wands in reversed. Some of them, they're angry or dismayado talaga. Okay? Why? Why the Queen of Wands in reversed? The 6 of Swords. Yeah. 6 of Swords. Ang daming panghihinayang, ang dami niyang sinasabi sa sarili niya na sana ginawa ko yun noon pa. Dapat ginawa ko yun noon. Like that. May pagsisisi ito sa sarili. Okay? May ginagawa siyang blaming. Yeah, they're blaming themselves. Like, yeah. Some of you, pwede kayong same gender. Okay, the Emperor is here. So, maybe may gumawa ng decision dito sa past na ipakita yung value nila, yung worth nila, like that. So, yeah, there's a lot of realizations here, Capricorn. Okay, feeling intimidated ditong taong to ngayon. Okay. They are not confident. They have doubts sa ngayon. Okay? Pero feelings nito, gusto nitong bumalik sa'yo. Pero feeling nila, wala na tong pag-asa. Andun talaga yung energy na sobrang panghihinayang na nagmumula dito sa taong ito, Capricorn. Okay. So, what is their next action towards you this October? Their next action? Wala. The Hanged Man. Wala naman talagang gagawin to kung ganito nga. Okay? 5 of Swords, 4 of Cups. This is waiting. This is thinking. Not doing anything. Why? Why the hanged man? Why the hanged man? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Sinayang nila eh. Marami silang sinayang na pagkakataon. So, wala na tong parang mukhang ihaharap sa'yo. Wala na silang kakayahan kung ano man ang gawin. Kung ano man ang planuhin nila, hindi nila kayang gawin. Okay, yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reversed. Sila yung sumira nito, actually. Okay? Kawawang-kawawa yung energy nito, sa totoo lang. Yeah, the Knight of Cups in reversed. Andun pa rin yung energy na talagang strong. Nakatali pa rin doon taong to sa'yo actually. Sa totoo lang. Sa sitwasyon, nandyan pa rin yung pag-iisip nyo sa isa't isa. Nandyan pa rin. Okay? Pero wala eh. I think some of you, this is a karmic situation. A karmic tie. Okay? A karmic tie. So, nangyari ngayon is, yeah, see the Lovers. This is karmic. Okay? ang nangyari ngayon is failed. Another failure. Okay? Dito sa connection na to. Nag-connect na kayo nito sa past. Actually, nag-failed. Ngayon, nagkita kayo. Nag-failed ulit. So, better luck next lifetime. They're not doing anything. Yeah. Healing. Number 1, because the star is in the reverse. Number 1 card mo. Okay? First card ninyo. Yan ang energy. Okay, let's see. Outcome/advice for Capricorns. Okay. The King of Swords in reversed. So, don't try to blame yourself or look for something para i-blame mo yung sarili mo, if ever. Okay? Don't be too afraid. Okay? Wag mo ring lokohin yung sarili mo, if ever. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Wag mong ialis sa sarili mo yung kasiyahan. Okay? Wag kang kukuha ng kung anumang dahilan para may maituro ka sa sarili mo na may kasalanan ka rin. Okay? Kung alam mo, lalo, na naging responsible partner ka sa taong to. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. Yeah, the Emperor. I think you're the one na talagang the backstab dito or talagang nasaktan. Okay? So, wag mong imamanipula yung sarili mo na baka ganito, baka sobrang tawag dyan, higpit ko, kaya siya nagaganon. Don't. Okay? Huwag mong gagawin sa sarili mo. Okay? Meaning, hindi lang talaga kayo click. Okay? Hindi lang kayo talaga nag-click. Or yung energy ninyo is hindi ganon na magkapareho, kaya hindi kayo magkasundo nito. Okay? So, may nangyaring fallout dahil hindi kayo magka-frequency. Hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Something like that. See? The Justice in the reverse. There's imbalance. Okay? There's imbalance here. Heal. The Nine of Cups. Focus on healing. Okay? May mga tao, may mga sitwasyon na iniaalis si universe sa'yo dahil mayroong mga salita, may mga action na hindi mo nakikita pero nakikita ni universe. Okay? May mga maling sitwasyon, may mga maling salita, may mga maling tao na pwedeng nakapiring ka. Kaya hindi mo makita, pero kita ni universe. So, they're the one who is doing the actions. Okay? Universe is doing the actions for you. So, just go with the flow. Heal. Okay? Yeah. Just like telling you, this is enough. Like that. This is enough. Okay? So, pagdating sa kanila, problem na nila to. Okay? Yeah, because ngayon na lang nila nare-realize kung anong meron. Okay? So, yeah, yun na nakukuha ko eh. Totga. The one that got away. Parang may ganun. The one that got away. Yun ang energy. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking nakikita for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!